Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friend, in this video, we will discuss our latest onboarding and joining updates and dates. The company we will include in this particular video is DXC, LTI, Mindtree, Cognition, Capgemini, IBM, Emphasis, ACL, TCS, Infosys, Wipro. All the companies onboarding updates in this one video we will cover up, and please watch video till the end. And if I'm missing any of the company onboarding updates, just comment in down. We will discuss in the next upcoming videos and the pen for all the pending companies which are you are going to commenting. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first of all, you can see on my screen this is a update for regarding DXC. Okay, you can see like onboarding update 22 batch. I'm for please waiting, kindly reply. Okay, so wait, I'm just taking this front. Okay. Okay, so hi sir, when will DXC take DXC onboarding for the 22 batch 25 professional for the last for the past 4 to 5 months? We are many are waiting. Kindly reply back. Okay, so basically they are going to update the new join date which is coming from the DXC is 25th January 2023. We will share the final date of joining and induction invite once the necessary process are completed. Okay, so basically task and candidate action you are going to receive: create by workday profile priority 1, and then fill Google form, and then after that your background verification screening information you have to complete. Okay, so the new join date which is coming from the DXC team is 25th Jan 2023. Okay, next. Okay, so this is a DXC, and for the remaining onboarding and training to happen in the phased manner, we have started the process. Kindly wait for the further communication. Okay, and also have you excited looking forward to starting the journey with DXC. We are equally excited to have you a part of the DXC technology, as we have informed that earlier that we have onboarding happens in fast manner, and so that we can immediately assign the project. We would like to inform you that onboarding for your group has been delayed till January 23 due to business requirement. Okay, next. LTI. Thanks for your email. Please be informed that onboarding will be resumed from January in batches based on the business demand. We will ensure that we will be onboarded one, and note that this is offer and while Mindtree will always be honored. Okay. One successful completion of each joining from us, we will receive a PS number employee code directly in inbox notification. And okay, kindly check the same. Okay, so this is a virtual onboarding from the LTI Mindtree team. Okay, so bola same. Hi sir, I got my selection mail 21st March 2 from Infosys. I'm triply background. Any update when may I get my offer letter and join letter? So basically you can wait at least January to March phase. You can just wait for your onboarding update. Please, it's a kind request you to make a video Mindtree onboarding update. So Mindtree is going to give you a join date as per the business requirement starting from January 2023 phase. Okay. Mindtree update I discussed. Okay, next. Sir, when will the joining of Tech Mahindra? So basically Tech Mahindra is right now is delaying the onboarding. So most probably January in the month of Jan end or Feb or March you can expect the Tech Mahindra joining update. Will DXC onboarding happens in January 2020? Yes, definitely. ठीक है, मैंने आपको बताया ना DXC को लेकर, यहाँ मैंने बताया आप लोग को. ठीक है, देखेंगे फ्रेंड यहाँ पे ज्वाइनिंग जो डेट्स आ रहे हैं 25 दिसंबर को देखने को 25 जनवरी को देखने को आ रहे हैं. तो यस, दे आर गोइंग टू बी स्टार्ट ऑनबोर्डिंग स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम जनवरी. ओके, and I'm excited for the update to when will I get joined. Please any information, just wait for at least 3 months, Jan, Feb or March. You can just wait. Okay, प्लीज एम्फासिस रिलेटेड बोलो कब होगा. देखो एम्फासिस के ज्वाइनिंग मैं आपको दिखा दूं फ्रेंड, आप लोगों को एम्फासिस है और एचसीएल में बता दूंगा अभी, और आईबीएम तीनों का ही मैं आपको मेल दिखाने वाला हूँ. एचसीएल, आईबीएम एंड एम्फासिस मैं आपको नेक्स्ट दिखाता हूँ. ओके, और आपका क्या बचा है एलटीएम मैंने बता दिया आप लोग को. ओके, मैंने इन्फोसिस का मैंने बता दिया आप लोग को. सो यू कैन वेस्ट एटलीस्ट जनवरी, फरवरी और मार्च. इन दिस 3 months यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट योर डेट ऑफ ऑफर लेटर, लेटर ऑफ इंटेंट ऑफ ज्वाइनिंग लेटर, ऑनबोर्डिंग मेल. ओके, एंड टीसीएस रेसिड्यूल कैंडिडेट्स कैन एक्सपेक्ट देयर ज्वाइनिंग इन द मंथ ऑफ जनवरी, फरवरी. Only one residual is applicable. If you are rescheduling again and again, then they are not going to be and give you any joining dates. So just wait for at least Jan or Feb. You can TCS team will contact you, and if you want the joining updates directly, then you just would contact with the Explorer team or just write to the mail to the ILP team. They will definitely going to reply you a system generated mail saying that wait for some day. We will whenever we have a business requirement, we will send you a joining update. Okay, because TCS offer letter is honored to all of you. Okay, तो यहाँ पर आप लोग देख सकते हो ये आपका onboarding process immediately action required. This is a HCL. To bring your onboarding process, we are required few details. Proceed further. Basically HCL already started. Okay, in the month of January. So January, in the month of December. So January, February, you can expect your on joining mail. Okay, and this is the IBM. Thank you for continued interest in IBM. While we are trying to get in early joining, there needs to be a appropriate. Okay, Okay, and suggested based on the business visibility which can go up till early next March 23. Please keep enhancing your learning and the interim here. Okay, so March, before March 23, or IBM is going to be on board for all the pending and remaining candidates. Okay, and this is the where candidates is in process and the onboarding team is working it soon. So soon the date of joining will be communicated via email. Okay, and please do not send multiple email whatever. Okay, and this is the emphasis. Please refer to our previous communication from 26 October 22. Carefully, the joining email timeline provided on the letter of intent is between June 22 to March 2023. So basically, before March, most of the company is going to be on board you. Okay, so nothing to worry. And for rest of the company like Wipro, I created lots of video regarding onboarding. Just check out my channel, and TCS also. Okay, Capgemini also, I created lots of video like 6 January, 26 April, 6th April. There are lots of students are getting on joining mail, and for the Cognizant also 23rd March is the joining date. Okay, and just search on my channel. Okay, because I Wipro, TCS, Capgemini, Cognizant, and most of the companies are already created lots of video regarding joining and onboarding updates. Just check it out my channel, and if I miss any of the company, just comment it down, and we'll just shoot them. Until then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.